The hell, looks like baby hands driving the car. Ah. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Thank you. There's that guy and then there's me. He's already way ahead of me. Way ahead of me, but rather go slow and get to your destination than, you know. Fly, pigeons, fly. Yeah, boy. You just got drag raced and lost. Hello. Oh, look at the little spoiler. So cute. Look at the taxi, look at the taxi, look at the taxi, look at the taxi. And done. So you always need to pay attention. Luckily, this guy was actually paying a lot of attention. But that doesn't happen often. That's not the way to do it. People will do it if they want to do it. Okay, not a bad Ferrari. So GT3 RS possibly. So these are the things. You come for a motovlog and then you can't stop looking at these mean machines. Of course. Obviously, what else if not Arab? If they never answer back. Come on, answer back. If I rev, you rev. Weak Porsche. If this is a maneuver to do without checking, is honestly like that. Just suddenly U-turn. Not sure if I was going over the speed limit. I might have been, but still, freaking check. Fiat 500 Abarth, but from Vauxhall. She had no idea. I also moved quite fast, I won't lie, but she had no clue. She didn't even check.